Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ririn Regiana Dwi Satya. I'm from in Department Industrial Engineering, Faculty Engineering, Pancasila University. Today, I would like to present my paper entitled Carbon Footprint in Potato Chips Agro-Industry Supply Chain, a case study in Garut, West Java, Indonesia. This paper collaboration with Laila Heriani, Yulita Veranda Usman, Nur Yulianti Hidayah in 6 Borobudur International Symposium on Science and Technology. Firstly, from the outline from this paper is introduction, objectives, method, result and discussion, conclusion, and recommendation. Firstly, I want to explain for introduction for background in the problem. Potency and productivity potato in Indonesia is very high because consume potato in Indonesia is high because potato is carbohydrate. Based on this slide, we look graph for demand production potato from year to year is very fluctuative. And variation of product from potato is derived such as potato chips, French fries, and the others. For production potato chips, I need input for potato production chips is material. There is potato, energy, there is electricity, this fuel, and we output is product potato chips and waste. Scientists all over the world are providing information supporting the fact that the climate change is changing and that change is partly due to human activity through the release of greenhouse gases. The production carbon footprint accounts for emission from all activity across a manufacturer, including building energy use, industrial process, and the company vehicles. Based on Matthew et al. 2008, estimate that on average, 74% of an industry sector carbon footprint in contribute emission. Potato chips agroindustry is one of agricultural sector that is sharing in producing greenhouse gases. Ladies and gentlemen, as soon as we have the motivation and related works, we set three main objective in this paper, such as the first objective to identify the boundary system carbon footprint in supply chain agro-industry potato chips, two to calculate carbon footprint in supply chain agro-industry potato chips, and three to calculate energy efficiency in supply chain agro-industry potato chips. The next scope for this research is limited from potato chips transportation and potato chip production process to transportation retail. The observed product are potato chips. Three, the environmental impact assessment under study is the impact of liquid, solid, and air waste from the production cycle of potato chips. Category of environmental impact observed in the form of global warming. method in use this research is carbon footprint. Stage from stage method carbon footprint are one, determination of goal and scope, two, input-output life cycle assessment, three, mass balance process, four, energy and activity-based calculation, and five, energy efficiency. System boundary supply chain agro-industry potato chips from post-harvest potato transportation from farmer group to potato chips production transportation from potato chips to retail. Function unit per 1 kilograms of potato chips. Input-output life cycle assessment for LCA, life cycle assessment, potato, post-harvest potato, uh, input this well and output from supplier potato, garlic, salt, transportation is emission carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and methane. And this distribution transportation for scoop 2 in production process of potato chips. And this process, the first stage, receiving potato, stripping, washing and soaking, cutting or slicing, seasoning, mixing, frying, drying, packaging, and storage. And input for this production process is electric supply, water, garlic and salt, cooking oil, and the output from this production process, emission, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, methane, potato skin, water residue, and cooking oil residue, and potato chips. Next, the distribution for transportation to retail and input for transportation to retail is diesel fuel and output emission carbon dioxide. And a function unit is 1 kilogram potato chips. Production of waste from the others process from receiving, stripping, washing, mixing, seasoning, frying, and drying can uh, use waste for potato pulp, water residue, use cooking oil, and the others total production waste is stripping 2 kilograms, washing 98 kilogram, mixing seasoning 47 kilogram, frying 26.45 kilograms, drying 3.5 kilograms. Mass balance of process potato chips is 17.87. Energy and activity-based calculation. According to International Climate Change 2006 for emission calculation obtained through the following equation. Emission uh, emission for energy and emission factor, emission liquid waste, volume of liquid waste, value of substance, and emission factor. And result energy and activity-based calculation for scope 1 is post-harvest level of from post-harvest level to potato chips agro-industry. Carbon footprint kilogram carbon dioxide equivalent per kilogram potato is 2.199. Carbon footprint, total carbon footprint kilogram carbon dioxide equivalent per kilogram potato chip for scoop 2 in production potato chips is 2.937. For Scope 3, from potato chip agroindustry to retailer, total carbon footprint kilogram carbon dioxide equivalent per kilogram potato chips is 10.94, and total carbon footprint for post-harvest post-harvest potato to a retailer is uh, 16.077. From this three scope, from this three scope, in carbon footprint is very high in scope 3 in transportation retailer from potato chips agroindustry to retailer. For energy efficiency calculation, we can see net energy ratio 2.74, and net energy value 57.84. And based on efficiency energy calculation, for production process, input energy electricity, total energy efficiency is 30.14. Conclusion and recommendation. Boundary system container from farmer group as supplier, which involve transportation activity from supplier to factory, scope 1, processing in the factory, scope 2, and product delivery to the retailer, scope 3. Contribution of its scope 2 emission varied greatly: 2.199 kilogram carbon dioxide equivalent, 2.937 kilogram carbon dioxide equivalent, and 10.94 kilogram carbon dioxide equivalent, respectively. The carbon footprint in get-to-get scope for supply chain of potato chip agroindustry reached 16.77 carbon dioxide equivalent per kilogram of potato chips. Major improvement was addressed to scope 3 as the greatest contributor to emission, designed to reduce the carbon footprint. Additionally, machinery system in the factory was dependent on electricity, which consumed a large amount of energy, equivalent to 30.14% of the total energy needed. For the region to rise to energy efficiency was needed in the term of net energy value and net energy ratio. To meet this challenge, the use of byproduct potato pulp existing the solid waste for organic fertilizer or animal feed was proposed. And I want to say thank you for acknowledgement from Pancasila University from the support in my research. And ladies and gentlemen, finally we are coming to the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for your kindly attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.